special. Let's gather together for a special meal. Let's gather together to show how we feel. Let's gather together on a special day. We gather together 'cause we want to say, grandparents, grandparents, grandparents are special. Grandparents, grandparents, grandparents are special. We gather together for a special treat. We feed each other with good things to eat. We gather together for a special surprise. We come together for our family ties. Grandparents, grandparents, grandparents are special. Grandparents, grandparents, grandparents are special. We gather together for a special meal. We gather together to show how we feel. We gather together in our special tree. We give our thanks for friends and family.
Grandparents, grandparents are special. Grandparents, grandparents, grandparents are special. Let's gather together for us.
Having grandparents is one of the best gifts by God for their grandchildren. They are the ones who have made parents the way they are. This year, Pope Francis, the head of the Catholic Church and sovereign of the Vatican City State, declared World Day for Grandparents and the Elderly to take place annually on the fourth Sunday of July. It is a special day set aside for our elderly under the theme, I am with you always. It expresses the closeness of the Lord and the Church to every older person, especially in these challenging times of the COVID-19 pandemic. I am with you always. This is the promise the Lord made to his disciples before he ascended into heaven. These are the words that he repeats to you today, dear grandfathers and grandmothers. The purpose of this day is to honor grandparents and to help children become aware of strength, information, and guidance older people can offer. Grandparents are the root of a strong family. With their infinite amount of knowledge and experience, they can provide us with the guidance we need. They pass on to us the important life values they have learned from their lives to help us become a better individual. The role of grandparents in the family is also to provide knowledge, maturity, stability, and unconditional love to the lives of their grandchildren. They are a valuable resource because they have so many stories and experiences from their own lives to share. Grandparents also offer a link to a child's cultural heritage and family history. They are mentors and heroes that many children seek to pattern their lives after. Lord God Almighty, bless our grandparents with long life, happiness, and health. Happy Grandparents' Day to all of our grandfathers and grandmothers. We thank you for the knowledge and joy you bring to the lives of everyone around you.
ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੇਂਟ ਜੋਸਫ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਡੇ ਮਨਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ, ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਭਕਾਮਨਾਵਾਂ। ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ, ਸਾਡੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ, ਮਾਣ ਅਤੇ ਸਨਮਾਨ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਨੂੰ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਮੰਤਵ ਇਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖੀਏ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵਡੇਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ, ਸਾਡੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ, ਲਗਨ ਅਤੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੈ, ਸੰਵਾਰਿਆ ਹੈ, ਸਿੰਜਿਆ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ ਸਜਾਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਉਹ ਅਨਮੋਲ ਰਤਨ ਹਨ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਅਸੀਮ ਦੁਆਵਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਲਾਡ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਕਜੁੱਟ ਬਣਿਆ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ। आशीर्वाद बड़ों का हो तो हर रास्ता आसान हो जाता है। आशीर्वाद बड़ों का हो तो हर रास्ता आसान हो जाता है। इनकी दुआओं के आगे खुदा भी झुक जाता है। जी प्यारे बच्चों, असी अपने ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ, ਆਪਣੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਸਲੀਕਾ ਵੀ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਵੀ, ਮਿਲਵਰਤਨ ਵੀ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਵੀ। ਇਹ ਸਲਾਹਕਾਰ ਵੀ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਮਦਦਗਾਰ ਵੀ। ਇਹ ਤਜਰਬੇਕਾਰ ਵੀ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਸੂਝਵਾਨ ਵੀ। ਸੋ ਆਓ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਭ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰਣ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਦਾ, ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਮਾਣ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਸਨਮਾਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਅਸੀਮ ਦੁਆਵਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਅਸੀਸਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਰੂਪੀ ਫੁਲਵਾੜੀ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਖਿੜੀ ਰਹੇ, ਮਹਿਕਦੀ ਰਹੇ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
Grandparents make the world a little softer, a little kinder, and a little warmer. They are the family's strongest foundation. They are the founders of loving legacy and the keepers of family traditions that linger on in cherished memories. They are like musicians who create wonderful memories for their grandchildren out of thin air. They provide us with unconditional love, care, support, by providing us with the essentials we need the most and pass on the most valuable lessons necessary in the future life. Through happiness and sorrow, by their special love and care, they keep the family close at heart.
Grandparents make the world a little softer, a little kinder, and a little warmer. They somewhat define the word more. They're more than parents, more than friends, and more than caregivers. Not only do they spill pearls of wisdom, but also fill our lives with abundance of love and care. The bond between grandchildren and their grandparents cannot be described in words, and the growth of children is incomplete without their grandparents. If you think how much your parents do for you, just remember that your grandparents help them that much too. So how can you return the favor? Maybe they just want to see or hear you on phone.
Grandparents and grandchildren share a special type of bond, and there's nothing quite like it in the world. Grandparents are a valuable resource because they have so many stories and experiences from their own lives to share. Grandparents offer a link to a child's cultural heritage and family history. Especially during tough times, having an extra layer of support can make a big difference in a child's life. Grandparents offer an extra ear when kids need someone to talk to open up and share their difficulties and problems. There is no better love than grandparents' love. Children understand more of who they are through their connection with their grandparents. Today, on this occasion, we have got a golden opportunity to thank you.
Grandparent is someone who has silver in hair and gold in heart. Grandparents are the precious gifts from God. They have a significant impact on our life. From reading bedtime stories to serving food, they do it all for us. They provide a great emotional and mental support to the whole family. They are a link between the family traditions and history. They pass on knowledge from the previous generations to their young grandchildren. They are the best role models for their grandchildren. They act as advisors, polite teachers, bunch of unconditional love. Grandparents are a blessing from God, which everyone is not lucky to have. So we must respect and value our grandparents for all they have done for us. Thank you.
Grandparents are the blessings of God. They are the one who push their children and grandchildren to pursue their dreams. Grandparents are the best teachers when it comes to learning life lessons like giving charity to each other, being polite to one another, and helping each other. Grandparents are like a big warm hug. They offer their children a big heap of wisdom and patience, which they have gained due to the life experience. Grandparents are the real heroes. They are essential in a child's life as vitamins, and grandparents are the greatest gift the God has given us.
प्यारे बच्चों, आज ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डे है, जिसके लिए मैं आपको शुभकामना और आशीर्वाद देता हूँ। इस अवसर पर मैं आपको एक मैसेज भी देना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे लोग उगते सूरज की तारीफ करते हैं, वही लोग दोपहर के चमकते सूरज से को देखकर दुखी होते हैं। जो लोग गर्मियों में सूरज की जल्दी ढलने की कामना करते हैं, वही लोग सर्दियों में सूरज को ज़्यादा देर देखना चाहते हैं। इस तरह मुझे सूरज पसंद है। वो अपना काम करता रहता है, चाहे कोई उसको कोई क्रिटिसाइज करे या उसकी तारीफ करे, वो अपने काम में मस्त रहता है। लिए आप अपना काम बिना लोगों की बातों की परवाह किए अपना काम मेहनत और लगन से पढ़ाई का करते रहें।
Respected teachers and students, I, Shyam Sundar Tavan, feel proud to address you on this auspicious Grandparents' Day. You see that the present day Jews have forgotten the Indian culture. They are more interested in adopting foreign way of living. You are the custodian of this country. Future of India is in your hand. I would like to suggest that you must know the history of freedom of India. Thousands of people sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India. Do not ask what the country has given to you. You just ask yourself what you have given to the country. Believe in simple living and high thinking. You must take care of your health. Your character should be example for others. Avoid addiction. Do not waste your time on watching TV and talking on mobile. You must make the best use of your time. Be honest in discharging your duty. Today, you should take oath that I will serve my country honestly and sincerely. Thank you.
Success is not a but a next step towards perfection. Good morning, everyone. I am Rajpal Kapoor. Life is full of surprises. Some may bring happiness, some may not make us feel good, like the going situation of this COVID virus. One can think about negativity, right? Because it seems that there are just sufferings all around, and to some extent it may be right, but it is we who can change this negativity positivity. We ourselves can be the healers and take a step towards perfection. So we all should have positive attitude and always believe, taking example from history, that once prisoners who turned attaining Swaraj can again fight this situation and attain freedom and a healthy, happy life. Thank you.